We all love to keep our cars in nice condition, especially after a new purchase, but doing so can be difficult. Threats to your vehicle's condition exist all around in nature. Ultraviolet rays beat down from the sun, and acid rain breaks down a paint's clear coat over months and years. Windswept sand leaves microscopic scratches and swirls on every body panel. And animal droppings do lasting damage if not washed away in time. There are many products available to choose car covers, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car covers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Hail Protector Car Cover System. While other covers are designed for general purposes, the Hail Protector is created specifically for harsh storms. Hailstones present a great menace to our cars. The largest stones impact with great velocity, leaving dents in bodywork and potentially even cracking windows. This unique cover defends against hail by combining a rigid metal skeleton with inflatable synthetic fabric. Your car will look like it's wearing a puffer jacket. The cover reportedly takes about 20 minutes to assemble and another 5 to 8 minutes to fully inflate. Customers note that the components are fairly heavy and assembly is made easier with a partner. Air is supplied by a built-in pump motor running on household power, the car's accessory outlet, or AA batteries in a pinch. Once prepared, it will guard the vehicle against hail, heavy rain, 60-mile-per-hour winds, plus UV and dirt. It even comes with a downloadable app to alert you to hailstorm warnings. This level of protection comes at quite a cost, but if you live in an area with heavy storms, it could easily pay for itself by averting a bill at the body shop. 6 sizes are available, from 175 inches up to 270 inches long. For so much storm protection, built-in pump comes with Hail Alert app, expensive a heavy parts, key specs, exterior material, polyester layers, and a cotton lining. Options. 6 sizes, 1 color. Number 2. Classic accessory Sky Shield trailer cover. In addition to protecting your main vehicle, you may want to invest in a cover for a camper or covered trailer. This Sky Shield product is larger than a typical car cover, with length up to 40 feet. It uses triple layers of polyethylene synthetic for UV and elemental protection, along with soft polyester on the inside. An elastic lining along the edge of the cover also grips the underside of the trailer and helps to maintain a snug fit. Zipper access will let you get into the camper without completely removing the cover. A bag is included for easy storage once you hit the road, and the manufacturer offers a 4-year limited warranty with purchase. Prosolage Trailer COVERAGE 4-year limited warranty storage bag included zipper access expensive key specs exterior material. Polyethylene layers. 3 cotton lining. Options. 10 sizes, 1 color. Number 3. Coverado All-Weather Car Cover. The Coverado All-Weather combines waterproof layers with a heat-resistant aluminum film and fleece lining. Its jet black outer fabric gives a professional look, but may reduce nighttime visibility if you park in a public space, compared to lighter color covers. Integrated silver reflectors do, however, help maintain safety. 5 underside straps make this car cover highly secure under even severe weather conditions. Zipper access and storage bag are also included, with 8 size options to choose from. Minimum 160 and maximum 215 inches long. Roscoe design built-in reflector zipper door access storage bag cons black fabric may reduce visibility key specs exterior material. Polyester layers. 6 cotton lining. Yes options. 8 sizes, 2 colors. Number 4. Cane 6-layer cover. This car cover utilizes 2 shiny aluminum outer layers, which reflects both UV rays and heat away from the vehicle. Underneath is a waterproof synthetic layer and 3 cotton layers for softness. Other features are much the same as the Favoto, with orange visibility markers, mirror pockets, driver door zipper, and an elastic and strap combo. A wide array of 13 sizes are available, with each including a storage bag. Prosheet resistant reflective surface multitude of sizes side mirror protection storage bag included Konski specs exterior material layers. 6 cotton lining. Yes options. 13 sizes, 2 colors. Number 5. Easy Shade 10-layer car cover. The Easy Shade cover uses 10 layers of material for additional durability and protection from rock chips or hail, with the UV and weather protection you'd want, along with the soft cotton lining. The second innermost layer is also composed of an adhesive film to help the product maintain its shape over long-term use. The outer material is shiny silver, along with highly visible orange reflector stripes. This cover also gives you plenty of other options, including security straps, mirror pockets, zipper door access, and a storage bag. There is an additional grommet along the layers to allow radio antenna pass-through, plus another for the installation of an optional padlock. Sizes range from small coupes to large SUVs, and the manufacturer includes a handy size chart on the store page to find the right option for you. However, it hasn't published exact dimensions for each size. PROS 10 layers of protection locking option side mirror pocket storage bag contact sizing info key specs exterior material. Polyethylene layers. 10 cotton lining. Yes options. 15 sizes. 1 color. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.